You get to the end of our school year and in preparation for your entry into Algebra 1 next year, we may want to think about keeping our pre-algebra foundation strong by taking a look at some enrichment opportunities and some activities that are posted with your online curriculum. So I'll log in as a student here. And it takes me to the page that you are all familiar with. Under Student Resources, we'll click Course 3, and under each chapter, you'll see the lessons here, but if you'll click on Activities in Practice, you will see two areas that might help. There's an activities book that's available, which will have activities that have to do with each one of the topics that we studied this year. And you will find what is called enrichment activities. Now, if you work on these problems are harder than the ones that were originally presented in our curriculum, but may be a good place to go to challenge yourself or brush up on the concepts. I can provide you for the answers to these if you decide to go this route. And there's also something called Extra Practice Brain at Work, and I believe I can supply the answers to these problems also. So here are 1, 2, 3 different places to go in order to begin reviewing the work that we did this year and preparing yourself for entry into your class next year. Let me know if you need any more direction, or if you need any help, or if you've completed any of the enrichment problems and you would like to make sure that your work is correct. I can provide you with the answers, and any problems that you are struggling with here, I can make some videos, or we can get together virtually and I can give you a hand. Enjoy.